If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. After sharing a company file using remote data access in Sage 50 Accounting, you can then add and remove users to manage its user access. You must have full administrator rights within the shared company file to create other users. To manage user access to a shared company file in Sage 50, open the shared company file. Then select File, Remote Data Access. Set up user access from the menu bar to open the user security window. To continue, then click Yes in the message box that appears to tell you that sharing must be paused while the user security window is opened, but will resume once it is closed. Then create the users as usual and as previously shown in the lesson titled Setting Up Security and Creating Users. Make sure to use the email addresses for the users that correspond to their Sage IDs so they can remotely access the company file when they log into Sage. When you finish creating the users and close the user security window, Sage then backs up the company file and uploads the changes to the remote shared copy. The additional users then connect to the shared company file, as shown in the previous lesson titled Connect to a Shared Company Using Remote Data Access. You can also easily manage shared file access using remote data access in Sage 50 Accounting. To pause company file sharing using remote data access in Sage 50 Accounting, which prevents others from downloading the company file, either select File, Remote Data Access, pause sharing from the menu bar, or click the Shared button in the toolbar at the top of a navigation center and select the Pause Sharing command. Then click the Continue button in the Sage 50 message box to pause sharing the file. Then click the OK button in the message box that tells you to resume sharing to upload your changes when you are finished. To resume sharing for the shared company file in Sage 50 Accounting, either select File, Remote Data Access, Resume Sharing from the menu bar, or click the Paused button in the toolbar at the top of a navigation center, and then select the Resume Sharing command. Sage 50 then sends any changed data online. Then click the OK button in the Resume Sharing message box that appears. If you stop sharing a shared company file in Sage 50 Accounting, the company file is no longer shared online, and it is also deleted online too. After doing this, you can only access the local copy of the company file. To stop sharing a company file using remote data access in Sage 50 Accounting, select File, Remote Data Access, Stop Sharing from the menu bar. Then click Yes in the Sharing Warning message box to continue. Then click the OK button in the confirmation message box that appears. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.